Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get new emojis on any iPhone. So guys, if you want to get new emojis for your iPhone, here I will show you how can you get them. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to open settings on your device, and then scroll it below and go to general, and from here scroll it below and go to keyboard, and from here go to keyboards again and tap on add new keyboard, and from here select emojis. So guys, simply select emoji and add emoji to your keyboard, and after this go back, and now you have to go to general settings again and go to software update and update your software to the latest version in order to get new emojis for your iPhone. So guys, if you get any update here, then you have to simply update your software to the latest version, and after this you will get the new emojis on your iPhone. And if you still don't get, then you have to simply go back to your keyboard again and then go to keyboards, and from here tap on edit button, and from here you have to remove emoji for one time, delete them, and then save this information, and after this tap on add new keyboard again, and again add emojis to your keyboards. From here simply tap on this and then save this information, and now you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply restart your device, and then you have to simply open your chat and then go to keyboard, and here you will get the new emojis on your iPhone. So guys, you can see this. Once you do these settings, after this you will get the new emojis on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see a lot of emojis. In this way you can also get the latest emojis for your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.